Understanding Bullish Harami Pattern. Hello and welcome back to Module 2 of the Mastering Candlestick Patterns course. In this lesson, we'll continue our exploration of bullish candlestick patterns by delving into the Bullish Harami pattern. This pattern is a reliable indicator of potential trend reversals. Bullish Harami pattern breakdown. Let's begin with an introduction to the Bullish Harami pattern. The Bullish Harami pattern is a two-candle formation that signals a potential reversal from a downtrend to an uptrend. It offers valuable insights into shifts in market sentiment. The Bullish Harami pattern comprises two key components. The first candle is a large bearish candle, indicating the continuation of the downtrend. The second candle is a small bullish candle that is completely engulfed by the body of the first candle. Interpretation and role in trend reversal confirmation. Understanding how the Bullish Harami pattern confirms trend reversals is crucial for traders. The Bullish Harami pattern suggests that the market sentiment is shifting. The first bearish candle indicates sellers in control, followed by the smaller bullish candle that indicates a potential weakening of selling pressure and a possible reversal. Importance of confirmation and risk management. While the Bullish Harami pattern is a strong signal, it's essential to practice proper risk management and seek confirmation from other technical indicators. As traders, we want to ensure that our decisions are well informed and consider various factors before entering a trade. The Bullish Harami pattern is a powerful tool for identifying potential trend reversals. Remember that successful trading involves combining the Bullish Harami pattern with other forms of analysis and confirmation signals. Before moving on, review the key takeaways from this lesson. Gain a solid understanding of the Bullish Harami pattern's characteristics, its role in confirming trend reversals, and the importance of confirmation. Historical charts with Bullish Harami pattern. In these charts, you can clearly spot Bullish Harami patterns marking potential trend reversals. Following these patterns, the prices often initiated strong uptrend reversals. We'll explore examples from various markets, demonstrating the pattern's effectiveness. To sum it up, the Bullish Harami pattern is a powerful signal for potential bullish reversals. It signifies a shift from bearish to bullish sentiment. In brief, Bullish Harami pattern is a two-candle pattern. The first would be a long red candle. The second should be smaller green candle. In Japanese, Harami means pregnant. The formation of the two candles looks like a pregnant woman. The large candle is the woman, who carries the baby, small candle, inside her. The Bullish Harami pattern can be a short-term trend reversal or trend continuation pattern. The pattern can be used to buy stocks for the first time or buy more shares. That concludes our lesson on the Bullish Harami pattern. Keep an eye out for this formation in your technical analysis for potential trend reversal opportunities. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. I hope you now feel confident in identifying and interpreting Bullish Harami patterns. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson as we continue exploring more candlestick patterns.